Thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru ni gwatanirite na gikundi giti gia kithirikari gia Kimanthiguru Smile Train kuhejana utungata bwa uthirikiri ana baria baciari na muromo jwatuki. Antoni boritwe kurekana na nkwaga ya ire thirukirite wathe bo na kwira wikia ana bao kurio kenda batumwa. Kuringana na kiama giki ni ati utungata bo bukajukagia ithari mwake kurekana kwa aciari ni batumire kanya gaka kwebia ana bao kinyamara kia uturo. Kiama giti kia kithirikari gia kuthinja rwatukwa rwa muromo nikio Smile Train kigwatanirite na thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru kunenkanira utungata bwa kuthinja butina mare indene ya sibitari ya Meru level 5. Akiaria gitari ya kuruguria uthinji bobo munini wa Smile Train ndagitari Esther Njoroge Murithi na ugite ngwataniro iji ni agutetheria uthinji bwa mwanya.
A couple of years ago we partnered with several organizations, one of them being the Meru County and by extension the government of Kenya, and together we came up with a project addressing neglected surgical conditions, among them cleft lip and palate, clubfoot, cataract, hernia and fistula. And what we did is come up with a program where we are training community health volunteers, and the county government equips them with a mobile phone that is loaded with an app that they are able to identify the patients from their home, take their information including the photographs, the photographs of the condition that they are suffering from, and that information is accessible now to the partners who are doing the program.
Ruterene rwawe murungamiri munene wa sibitari ya Meru ndagitari James Kremi na ugite ngwataniro iji ni kainyiri utungata.
We continue to get surgeries done in this facility, and of note is that these surgeries are completely free for the patients, courtesy of the Smile Train Africa program and courtesy of the Meru County government. The patients are not paying any money to get their surgeries done.
Patrick Mwai uria ni murungamiri wa uthinji Kimanthiguru na ugite wega bwa kuthinjwa kurio ni gutigira mwana ati kuona thina kiuturo.
We are not operated at this particular time. We have challenges in feeding, breathing, talking, and this goes on further to affect their education. Most of them cannot attend school properly. They cannot learn. Some are forced out of school. Not to mention the stigma involved.
Nachokerete nkatho Smile Train onto bwa kutiritaniria gutigira nkero chikuoneka uthione bwa ana. Na rote thurite tugikuhuria ni ukuthugania thirikari tia kaunti ni kumbana na rwangi rwa ugima wa mwiri na maoni jaku mwanya mwanya. Edward Mutembei akethirwa akithoma nyuma ya kagita gati kuraja kirirwa ria rwawe rwa ntuku ya narwa ndene ya garu ya siasa ethiro keranera bauti gukurukira 40321 au ni twakinyira muthetu wa nteto chetu cha ruthe mwe thaa 3:30 ni nguchokera na nteto iji na ingi nkuruki. Rita ni Maureen Kinya, Jacinta Kagweria ni mwonaniria wetu wa mathithio.